Welcome to Mill Mountain Zoo. Today we're going to talk about barn owls. This is Tweedle, our barn owl, and you are about to see her eat her meal. Barn owls are a medium-sized owl with white feathers, with speckles underneath, and cinnamon and gray feathers on top. They have a distinctive white heart-shaped face. Barn owls can range in size from about 12 to 16 inches tall, with a 39 to 50 inch wingspan. They can weigh slightly less than a pound to about 1.5 pounds. They are relatively short-lived owls. In the wild, they average 1 to 2 years, but in captivity, they can live into their 20s. They are generally quiet, but are most well known for their raspy shriek or screech. They can also scream, hiss, click, grunt, and snap their bill. Barn owls nest and roost in cavities, abandoned barns, and other buildings and dense trees found near large, open land like marshes, deserts, grasslands, or agricultural fields. They can be found worldwide on 6 continents and many islands. They fly low over their hunting grounds, relying on sharp eyesight and excellent hearing to search for voles and small rodents and mammals like mice, rats, shrews, and young rabbits. A barn owl can eat as many as 1,460 small mammals a year, so they are very helpful at keeping the rodent population in check. Barn owl feathers are extremely soft, an adaptation that helps them to hunt silently. One of their ears is higher than the other, which helps them pinpoint exactly where even minute sounds are coming from. Their hearing is so precise that they can strike prey in total darkness. Because of their large range and stable population, barn owls are listed by the IUCN as a species of least concern. As you know, we are currently closed to the public, but we still need to feed Tweedle and the other animals at the zoo. With no revenue coming in from admissions or school field trips, we could really use your help. Please consider making a donation either through our GoFundMe page or our website, mmzoo.org. Thank you for your support, and please visit our Facebook page for more videos that will be coming soon.